Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing this quarantine? You know, now the quarantine season has made us all have issues with doing things. You can't buy cakes, although it has helped us to be self sufficient. Like, you have to figure out how to do things. So now today I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple royal icing. That is just basically how you can just do your icing sugar and all that mixture and then whip it up on your cake. So please subscribe to my channel for more of my cookery issues and all that. And click to the notification bell so that you can get more of this. Let's hop on to it.
If you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
On this part, I decided to use my fork because if you have actually, by the way, if you have an electric whisk, you should be very careful because it can throw off the powder, the icing sugar. So you have to be very careful as you whisk. So do your slow motion. Use what you have. You can use a wooden fork or a fork for aeration. That's basically improvise. You don't have to have everything in your kitchen to do some of these things.
I remember the ocean when memories die out too hard.
You also need to consider on consistency of your paste. It has to be a bit thick. That's why I usually use 2 egg whites, because instead of adding milk, I had purpose to use only eggs. So you consider the consistency. It has to be thick.
If you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Thankfully, I had already made my sponge cake previously. So I had something to whip up my icing royal sugar on it. So I did some drip stuff on it, and that's it. It was just basic icing sugar. You can decide to add some color and all that. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click on the notification bell to always get some updates this quarantine season. Thank you all.
I'm in a tropic club.
I love you all, my cowboys and cowgirls. Come and have some piece of this lovely whipped up cake. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and tell me how you do your whipping.